First Source is hiring work from home customer service representatives right now. Apply fast, guys. My name is Azara Faith, work from home specialist. All the jobs I talk about on this channel either offer you time freedom, location freedom, or you have the ability to work from home. So if you have the faith, I'll help you find the work. If you're really serious about finding a work from home job, please subscribe to the channel. I post work from home job leads for you so that you don't have to do all the work yourself. Okay, family. So the job that I'm going to be talking about today is First Source. Like I said, they're hiring customer service representatives, full-time hours. So if you need a 40-hour-a-week job, this is your job. Basically, this is an employee position, a W-2 job. Your responsibilities will be handling a high volume of calls, inbound calls from members and providers. You have to be able to answer member and provider questions while typing simultaneously. So they want you to be able to talk and type at the same time. The qualifications for this job, you don't have to have any type of degree. They do want you to have a high school diploma or the equivalent, so a GED could work for this position. They say they would like you to have a previous customer service experience, but it is not required. If you have experience in a call center, or if you have previous healthcare experience, they will prefer you to have 2 years in those areas. But if you do not have 2 years, it's okay. You can still apply for this position. I also want to mention they do say 2 specific things about the skills you need to have for this job. One is they point out that you need to have a basic knowledge of your personal computer. This is true for any work from home job, guys. You need to know your computer. At every job interview that I've had for a work from home job, they've always asked me questions about my computer. So if you don't know what your RAM is on your computer, how much memory you have, what operating system you're using, those questions you need to know before you apply for any work from home jobs. Actually, go ahead and apply, but then go back and find out the specifics of your computer. Also, they point out that you need to be able to type 30 to 35 words per minute. That's not a lot of words per minute. If you're having trouble typing, please go to any online search engine and type in online typing test, and you can practice typing. Easy peasy. But like I said, apply first and then work on the things that you need to know later. Okay. They also say that you have to have the ability to train virtually in a self-learning environment. So basically, this means that you're pretty much going to have to take some type of class online. It's going to be self-paced. You're going to be self-learning. So you'll be able to rewatch the videos, and then more than likely, you're going to have some type of test at the end. I love any type of self-paced anything. So I think this is great, and this will be great for you. That's pretty much it. So please check out the website. They do have computer requirements, and they are hiring in the United States, I am sure of. I do not know if they're hiring any place else, but you're free to go look and check that out to see if they're hiring where you're at. But if you're anywhere in the United States, they are hiring right now, and the job was just posted. So depending on when you're watching this video, apply fast. Now, if you're watching this video later, please, please, please still look for this job. Just Google search it and Google search the position, because a lot of these work from home jobs hire off and on throughout the year. Now, what I really